there's no human that's going to do better than AI. They basically all got their own personal assistant is almost what it is like. It's a no-brainer. The quantity of leads, for them to be worked properly, it requires multiple follow-ups. Trying to follow up with each lead on day 5, day 8, day 11, it's just not going to happen. The salesman will naturally cherry pick leads. That's where AI changes the game. It's just going to outperform human effort. A lot of the other AI tools that I've attempted, it gets to a point where the left hand doesn't know what the right hand is doing. A lot of the AIs I explored, they were just very basic, generic, one size fits all. I interviewed 10 different CRM companies, and I don't see anyone else doing it quite like you guys are. One of the things I liked the most is that everything fell under the same umbrella. When your CRM and AI fuse, it really does, it's the best experience. One of the key elements is a customizable CRM that you can conform to match your internal operating system. In terms of being fully customizable, I'm not seeing that elsewhere. When I first started to use AI, I had an aha moment because I realized that it's real. The realization is that there's no human that's going to do better than AI. AI is going to have a one-up on you regardless. The salesman's output will fluctuate. Their output will be volatile based on those things. The AI is consistent, and it's going to continue to improve. It's a game changer. It's a way to expand as well without having to add personnel. 24/7, 365 follow-up, never deviating off the script. And now it seems like you guys are leading the space.